If you stop taking Ozempic or Wegovy, research shows that most people regain a significant amount of weight within a year. Nobody's talking about why that happens or what it actually means for how you think about these medications. Welcome back. Today, I want to have an honest conversation that I think is missing from most of the GLP-1 content out there. What actually happens when you stop taking Ozempic or Wegovy, and what does that tell us about how we should be thinking about these medications in the first place? Here's what the research shows. When people discontinue GLP-1 medications, weight regain is common, and it often happens faster than the original weight loss. Studies have found that within a year of stopping, many people regain the majority of the weight they lost, and that's not a personal failure. That's the biology of these drugs telling us something really important. GLP-1 receptor agonists work by mimicking a hormone your body produces naturally. They slow gastric emptying, signal fullness to your brain, and regulate appetite. While you're taking the medication, your body is getting those signals. When you stop taking the medication, those signals stop too. Your appetite returns to baseline. Your body, which is wired for survival, starts seeking energy. And for many people, that means weight comes back. Here's the thing, obesity is a chronic disease, and chronic diseases typically require long-term management. We don't expect people with high blood pressure to take medications for 6 months, get their numbers down, and then be cured. So why do we expect that from obesity treatment? This is where the weight-inclusive approach that I bring to this work really matters, because I'm not here to tell you that GLP-1 medications are the answer or that they're not the answer. I'm here to help you understand what these tools can and can't do, and to build a relationship with your body that isn't dependent on any single intervention. If you're on a GLP-1 medication right now, have an honest conversation with your dietitian and your doctor about what your long-term plans looks like. Is this a medication you'll be on indefinitely? What's the plan if you lose coverage? What other supports do you have in place for nutrition, movement, and mental health? These aren't optional extras, they are the foundation. And if you've already stopped the GLP-1 and you're watching the scale go back up, please be kind to yourself. Your body is doing exactly what it was built to do. You haven't messed up, you just need a different strategy, and there are options. Before I go, if you want ongoing support from a community that actually gets it, come join me in my free Facebook group, Bariatric and GLP-1 Support by Real Talk Nutrition. If you're ready to go deeper, join me in my monthly group coaching called the Real Talk Continuum. The detail for both the Facebook group and the Real Talk Continuum monthly group coaching program are in the description. If this video was helpful for you at all, please do subscribe, and if you feel like doing so, please do hit the notification bell so that you never miss an episode. Till next time, goodbye.